I am here to tell you about the key features of the Carport mounting system, manufactured by Tianfon New Energy technology. Striving to keep up with the latest trends in photovoltaics, we are proud to offer our customers a new type of mounting system, a photovoltaic carport. This innovative type of solar system offers high potential for future developments. It's a perfect solution to utilise the available space in the most efficient and nature-friendly way. A solar carport will provide shade and protection for cars and generate clean energy, maximising the land use. The system's design is simple but efficient. Main components include support columns with inclined beams and purlins, connected to the inclined beams to provide reliable support for the array. We pre-assemble components, ensuring fast and easy installation and saving your labour costs. For system materials, we choose steel and aluminium, and all raw materials of components are made of anodised Al6005 aluminium and SUS304 stainless steel. They provide excellent corrosion resistance and ensure the system's ability to withstand high mechanical stress. With a wind load of up to 216 km per hour and a snow load of up to 1.4 kilonewtons per square metre, you rest assured this product will stand the harshest weather conditions. By customer request, we can also customise system materials. Our carports can be designed to cover one row of parking spots, span over 2 rows or be as large as a project needs to be, and could be equipped with electric vehicle charging stations as an extra bonus to cars sheltering underneath. The system's elements are factory pre-assembled, which considerably simplifies installation time and decreases work costs. To ensure safety of your investment, we offer 10 years warranty for the system. Our products are designed by experienced designers, and we apply strict quality control procedures in all production stages to further ensure reliable and trouble-free operation. We designed it to conform to the various national and international standards, including CE, SGS and TÜV. In addition, we can also provide other certifications required by customers. Company's customer support team will gladly provide all necessary pre-sales and after-sales support and consulting. We reply to customers within 12 hours. Being in business for more than 22 years, Henan Tianfon New Energy Technology is a dedicated manufacturer of photovoltaic mounting systems, specialising in research, production and integration of various types of solar racking. A state-of-the-art manufacturing base, excellent R&D facilities and highly experienced production staff and management allow us to offer first-rate solutions to our customers.